What I wish I knew when I started keto, it's not just about the weight loss, it's about eating delicious food too. Embarking on a keto diet can be both exciting and challenging. But guess what? With these easy keto recipes, you'll stay on track and enjoy every meal. Let's kickstart your day with keto avocado and bacon egg cups. Simply bake eggs in avocado halves with crispy bacon on top. Packed with healthy fats and protein, it's a breakfast that keeps you full and energized all morning. Lunchtime means zucchini noodles with pesto and grilled chicken. Zucchini noodles are a low-carb pasta swap, and when paired with homemade pesto and grilled chicken, you get a light and satisfying meal. Perfect for staying keto and loving lunch. For dinner, indulge in garlic butter steak bites with asparagus. Quick to prepare, this savory combo of steak and tender asparagus gives you a hearty portion of protein and veggies. Say goodbye to boring dinners. And for those sweet cravings, try keto fat bombs. Made from cream cheese, coconut oil, and nuts, these high-fat snacks keep your energy stable and your cravings at bay. Guilt-free and delicious. Incorporate these recipes into your keto meal plan to enjoy a variety of delicious foods while promoting weight loss. Remember to stay hydrated and consult a healthcare professional before making significant diet changes. Ready to enjoy the keto journey? Bon appetit and happy shedding!